welcome back. So today I have another DIY for you. So if you guys are ready to see this DIY, just keep on watching. I'm going to be taking these canvas panels from Walmart, and they come 3 in a pack. Alright guys, I'm going to be going in with this jumbo glitter as well as my medium-sized glitter here. I'll be going in with this large mirror from the Dollar Tree. Alright, I'm going to be going in with this 5x7 mirror from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so I had these leftover gems from the Dollar Tree, and they're just in this diamond shape here. So I'm going to go ahead and use these now. And before I forget, I'm also going to go in with these as well. So right here I'm going to leave this just placed over top of the glass so that I can just get the positioning of where I need to put my gems. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be going in with this bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so at this point you want to go ahead and put in your picture that you're going to use. Alright guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little DIY. As always, I did enjoy making it for you. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a huge thumbs up as well as hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.